I feel very blessed to get to do what I do. And I'm always very grateful when other people share my work so that I have the opportunity to be of service to even more people. And I'm really excited about this challenge that's coming up. And I want as many people as possible to benefit from it. So thank you to all of you who have already told other people about it. It's a huge compliment to me that you want to share this work and find that other people will benefit from it. And I thought I'd make it a little bit more interesting, and so I'm going to do a prize drawing. So for those people who share about the challenge with their lists, there's going to be some gifts. So signed copy of my book, swag like this or like this, a year's membership in advance, and even a private session. So there'll be a random drawing of people who have shared the posts about the Freedom to Succeed Challenge, and I'll be announcing those during the live presentations that I'm doing every day. So even if you don't win a prize, hopefully you feel great about sharing this work and feeling good that other people are benefiting from it because you told them about it. And maybe you get a prize too. And I look forward to tapping with you during the challenge. Thanks.